Hello and welcome to the third episode of Crazy Constructions. Today we're going to learn how to construct the perpendicular bisector of a segment. So let's review the rules quick. You can only use a compass and a straight edge. You can use a ruler, but don't use a marked side because that's against the rules. So I'm going to use the unmarked side. So perpendicular bisector, what does that really mean? Well, it's right in the name. If we have a segment and we draw its perpendicular bisector, that segment is first of all perpendicular to this segment, meaning it makes a 90-degree angle, and it's also the bisector of a segment. So 1/2 is equal to this half. So the way we do this is we get a random length on this compass right here. It can be a random length. But the important part about this length is it should be about more than halfway down this line. Just estimate whatever length that's more than half of AB. What we'll do with that is we'll just draw an arc. A really big arc. Let's draw a bit more down here. Alright, and now we're going to take the exact same length, unchanged, and draw from A. Now with the end, it's just really simple. We take our straight edge, and let's see these 2 points, call it C and call it D. And we're just going to connect these 2 points. And just like that, we have drawn ourselves the perpendicular bisector of this segment. So let's call this P, right? So the properties of this is that angle P, and we'll say it can be any of these 4 angles, is equal to 90 degrees. So 90 degrees. Then AP is equal to, we'll say BP. So this segment is equal to this segment. And all these marks mean is that it's basically equal. So 1 mark is equal to 1 mark. There are 2 marks, and there's 2 marks here, both of them are equal. So we've drawn a perpendicular bisector. CD is perpendicular. It creates a 90-degree angle with AB. It also bisects AB into AP and PB, which are equal in length. So that was the third episode of Crazy Constructions, how to construct a perpendicular bisector of a segment.